everyone, welcome back to BUONAPAPPA. Today is a special episode because I've got Alex and Luca here with me, and today we're going to talk about birthday celebrations, kids' birthday in lockdown. Yes, because today is our, I don't know how many weeks, third, fourth week of lockdown.
It's more than a month.
It's more than a month. We totally lost track of time. And during this month of quarantine, staying at home, someone celebrated his birthday. How many years?
7.
7! We did a 7th birthday celebration at home in lockdown. To be sincere with you, at the beginning, I was like, everything I planned. We planned so many things before the lockdown, and of course, it was not possible. But we ended up organizing a super alternative birthday in lockdown. That was fun. Did you have fun?
Yes.
It was wonderful. Okay, I had the help of the whole family, and most important thing, it was not only a one party, one day celebration, because what did we do? How many days we celebrated?
3.
3. We had 3 full days of fun and celebrating his birthday, and it was fun for everyone. So today I want to share with you all the activities that we did in these 3 days celebration. And
It's gonna take a while.
it will take a while, but we will try to be, to summarize as much as we can. And we're also going to bake again the birthday cake that this lovely one wanted for his birthday. The first idea: divide the birthday in more than one day and making like a big event full of games and activities. Second idea: wrap all the gifts, all the presents at once and place them in a nice display. So all the presents there line up.
We called it the present wall.
The present wall. And then we decided that we were going to open how many presents per day? 3 presents per day.
Because we do 3 treasure hunts a day.
Yes, because every present was the kind of surprise.
Like, if Luca wins, he gets to choose what present I open, and if I win, I get to choose which one I open.
That's correct. So every present was related to a game, a family game that we did together. The winner of the game could go to the presents wall and pick up the gift that Alec was going to open. That was fun. But which games did we do with the
Like, one game that I really liked is that we did the hula hoop. We threw it
the hula hoop toss. Yes.
And then we got 2 balloons. We tried to bounce them
on the roof.
On the roof on the other side, and I had to run, and I made it on my hand. But then it fell, and then the second one was still with the balloons. We had to sit on it and try to pop it, but our dog just ran in front of us and just popped all the balloons.
He popped the balloon, it's true. And then we did a treasure hunt. Treasure hunt, that was fun. So I printed that, and I will give you all the materials. Just go in the link of the blog. You will have all the printable there. So I created some hints of places that they know around the backyard, and they were chasing from spot to spot to find the following hint, and the final one just says, you won. Go and pick up the gift that you want Alex to open. Then we did, that was the other one, the fun one, the alphabet. So do you remember we had a printable with all the alphabet letters,
and we needed to find you made teams. Teams,
so in which team were you?
I was with Daddy.
You were with Daddy. And which team were you?
Grandma
and Mommy. Grandma and Mommy's. Yes. So alphabet, and the game was just looking around. You needed to find as many things starting with that letter, and then we counted. But you cheated.
You cheated.
No, you cheated because we use two languages because in the house we speak two languages and they forgot they could add the other language. That's why. But we won that one. Then we did the color treasure hunt. So basically, more or less, it's the same concept. All the colors of the rainbow. We divided the family in teams, and we had to find as many things or objects colored in the color of the rainbow. That was another fun one. We did other 1-minute challenges inside the house because the second day was overcast. With a straw, the kids had to blow in the straw, and there was a cotton ball in the front, and they had to basically blow the cotton ball as far as they could without throwing it on the other side of the table. I will share with you all the ideas that we had, and if you're looking for an amazing website where to find the toddler ideas for activities but also for food, Amy from Yummy Toddler Food, she's awesome, so check her website because you will find so many inspirations there. Another idea for the birthday celebration, as we love cooking, we created together, what is that? The birthday menu. This is Alex's birthday menu. He wrote the list of his favorite recipes that mommy could cook, and in 3 days we went through the whole list. We made grandma, she made lasagna, we baked a cake together, we made cupcakes, we made meatballs, and we had broccoli. That was another fun one. And of course, cooking together, baking together, that was another way to celebrate his birthday. And he was the one picking the cake that we're going to prepare together in a few minutes for your birthday. Which cake was it?
Vanilla cake.
Vanilla chocolate cake. Super easy, super simple. Basically, he baked his own birthday cake and we helped, didn't we? On the birthday day, he woke up with a special breakfast, and we decorated the corner where we usually have breakfast to make it even more special with balloons, with any kind of decoration that we found in the house. Also, yes, balloons. Also, for the birthday gift, I used the wrapping paper that I had in the house. It has Santa Claus on it, but it was fun. So don't worry. Use whatever you have at home because it's normal. With the lockdown, you do not have access to all the gifts, all the resources that you usually have. It's fine. It's fine, and it will be fun. Trust me. And of course, on your birthday day, a lot of magic happened because we had so many Skype, Zoom bottom calls with all our family and all our friends that they cannot be physically here, but they are here in our heart. And we also received a special surprise, and this is a lovely idea that I really want to suggest. What happened? One of your best buddy, what did he do? They text me and they said, open the main door. So we opened the main door, and who was there on the street?
My friend.
Your friend. The whole family drove by. The car was full of balloons and they even prepared a poster that was hanging out from the car. That is the poster that was hanging out from the car. And that was the sweetest idea ever. We really, really appreciate it. And this is something that you can do to your friends if you live close by and you just, go there, keep the safe distance. And it's a way to celebrate and to share love. But now it's time to bake together. And we're going to prepare this super easy vanilla and chocolate cake. Are you ready? Let's start together. Our sous chef Alex is going to bake for us. So, first thing to do, we're going to mix together all the dry ingredients. This is the flour. We are having here 260 grams of flour. We are going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then we're going to add another teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon, Alex. Perfect. And then we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Perfect. Yes, that's fine. Just a bit more. just a bit more. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. And then now you're going to, put it back. We're going to mix everything together.
With what? This?
No, with the teaspoon, it's fine. Okay, and we're going to set it apart. Mommy will place it next to it. Then we're going to mix all the wet ingredients. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, so wet ingredients, like, do you think eggs are wet?
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to break the eggs, 3 eggs, and my suggestion is to use them at room temperature when you're baking. We washed our hands and now we're going to add the sugar, 130 grams of sugar. Then, using a whisk, we are going to combine the 2 ingredients, eggs and sugar. Perfect. We are going to add another ingredient, 100 grams of coconut oil. If you do not have coconut oil, it's fine. You can add butter. You can add any other kind of oil. Basically, this is a fat. We need a fat into the cake. Whisk, 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 whisk. It's time to add the yogurt, a plain Greek yogurt. You keep whisking and add that, okay? Plain Greek yogurt. And we are going to add the same quantity of the flour, 260 grams. You can add flavored yogurt, but I like less sugar, so I use plain Greek yogurt.
I just smash it first.
You smash it first, like Thor. Then we're going to add vanilla paste. This is my favorite. Paste is not vanilla powder, it's not vanilla extract. It's paste because basically it's pure and is the one with all the nice beans. If you have, I'm going to adjust another bit. If you have real vanilla, the sticks, it's even better. Being a vanilla cake, basically we want the higher quality of vanilla that we can get. Yes, we do have more ingredients. What do you think? We're going to put back our flour slowly that we already mixed with all the leavening agent, that is the baking powder, the baking soda, and the salt. We're going to slowly mix. And last ingredient, your favorite? Chocolate chips. Okay, this is a good half a cup. You can add yes, one. You can have one. Okay. No, that's a lot. Okay, you can have this one. Okay. There is always negotiation here on chocolate chips. We are going to mix them together and we're going to use a super simple round circular cake pan. We're going to grease it with some coconut oil, transfer our batter into the cake, and the oven is already preheating at 400 degrees. Okay, let's do it. You finished your chocolate chips. Our cake is ready to go in the oven, 400 degrees for 45 minutes. And then we will decide how to decorate. What do you think, Alex?
Yeah, decorate.
Okay, see you in 45.
Okay, bye.
Bye. And for the decoration, we use what we have in the house. So I didn't want to use too much sugar, no powdered sugar on top. Simple strawberries and grapes. All the candles that I could find in the pantry. And he turned 7. And we just did some math. 5 plus 1 plus 1 makes 7. So it's fine. As I said, with the lockdown, you really need to be a bit flexible, but the fun, that one stays, don't worry. I really hope you're going to enjoy the birthday cake, and I really hope that you will appreciate one of the ideas we shared, and there are many other things that you can do to celebrate a birthday. For example, if it's a sunny day, you can go camping in the backyard, or you can create a restaurant at home in a special room of the house. So if you have other ideas, please share them. This is the time where we we need to stay virtually together and help each other. I really hope you will have fun. Happy birthday to all the little ones that they are celebrating birthdays in the lockdown. And what are we going to do?
The same cake.
We are going to prepare the same cake. What are you going to say to everyone? Stay safe. Stay home.
And stay home. And have a great day with the family.
Yes, that's correct. And see you next time on Buona Pappa for a new recipe. Mwah! Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.